Hey, it's Taylor Basso with Sun Country Marine, and it is my absolute pleasure to welcome you on board the very first of its kind on the West Coast, Riviera's newest model, the 46 Sports Motor Yacht. This 52-foot semi-enclosed flybridge model is bursting with functionality and offers endless opportunities to connect, relax, and explore. As you can see here, the 46 Sports Motor Yacht offers a wide open cockpit designed for water sports action. The thoughtful layout also provides 3 different entertaining and dining options on board, as well as 3 venues for sunpad lounging. On the foredeck, the adjustable daybed on the alfresco deck, and also the flybridge daybed. With the command station advantageously positioned within the flybridge, the entire main level lends itself exclusively to cooking, dining, and gathering, in the gourmet galley and spacious saloon. The 46 Sports Motor Yacht is a common platform boat, sharing molds with the 465 SUV, which is one of our most popular models among Sun Country Riviera owners today. This means the accommodation deck on both models are identical, offering 3 staterooms and 2 large ensuite bathrooms. So when Riviera announced that they were adding a flybridge to the already beloved 465 SUV, we were thrilled to be able to offer it to our clients and worked hard to secure the earliest build spot possible. The combination of quality craftsmanship, easy-to-use technology, and impeccable design, all packaged in a perfectly owner-operator-friendly size, is sure to make the Riviera 46 Sports Motor Yacht extremely popular in our West Coast market. This is the only opportunity to become the first person on the West Coast to own the Riviera 46 Sports Motor Yacht, so reach out to Sun Country Marine Group to learn more.